It's a testimonial video for Nilesh Jain, who have conducted a seminar and who exactly share a lot many things related to why can the dream 100 concept be the beneficial to the organic growth in a form of a podcast show. And he have talked about the a lot many things like how to grow your list as a lead, how you can use any sales funnel or something related to that, or how you can grow your business via high quality leads by an interview show. And he have talked about the benefits, what are the benefits of creating an interview show, and actually how to build the authority in the particular niche, and how you can create or grow your audience very quickly with the framework that he had designed by his own experiences. And lot many things like how to gain free traffic out of it, how to reach a global audience, and lot many things, right? And he had a lot many experience with the Indian clients and the foreign client as well. And literally he had started his journey with a lot many failures and something. He don't have any specific gadgets like having a podcast mic or something related to that, but the thing is he's focusing on his content and he's providing the valuable answers related to that. Once upon a time, I have visited to Nilesh that, hi Nilesh, I want to apply for an internship and I have an interview with someone and I'm feeling nervous. Then how to solve this particular problem with that? And Nilesh used to reply, first go deeper and deeper that why you are nervous. What is the actual problem with that? Is this your first time? First, and what the purpose of your internship? You are get to know that you are good at that, then definitely go with. Don't feel awkward if you are correct. Feel confidence that you are the one which unique out of it and you know the particular answer. Be straightforward, don't be stopped with the particular point you don't know. And credibility, attract target audience, and lot many things. How to create, generate some high quality or super quality leads, and what are the biggest secrets. He had shared our biggest secrets in the Dream 100 that webinar, and he had designed a particular course where he talked about week one for the goal and planning, because at the first week we have a positive mindset, right? And the second he have a lot many things, and the week three he had to share like relationship building mastery with the Dream 100. Okay, and some exclusive bonus, right? A lot many things are there. And if you want to join Nilesh Jain mastery or the warrior show, please kindly get touch with the email list or somewhere you can connect with. Thank you Nilesh for sharing me particular uh, knowledge out of it, and I'm feeling confident. And very soon, I'm damn sure that very soon I'm going to connect with you for this particular course, and I'm going to register myself in this premium and powerful course that you have designed. Thank you Nilesh.